It's a myth that you have to spend money to make money. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer and click the notification bell. My name is Barb McGowan, and I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job in 6 months after starting affiliate marketing, and I want to help others to do the same. I'm guessing if you're watching this video right now, you've already tried other ways of making money online and they haven't worked out for you. Enter a yes or a no in the comments to let me know if this is true. A lot of people want to start making money online because they are flat broke, but many methods require some amount of money to get started. And what's the point of learning a method that costs a ton of money up front when the whole point is that you're looking for a solution to being broke? So let's dive right into my method that requires absolutely no money. In case you're not familiar, affiliate marketing is promoting products on behalf of businesses. The business gives you an affiliate link that tracks people that click your link and make purchases. And then you earn commissions for anyone that clicks your link and makes a purchase. So we're headed over to muncheye.com, which is a repository for internet marketing product launches. And this is a list of businesses or vendors who are looking for affiliates to promote their upcoming products for them. So we want to look in the column labeled Big Launches, which are upcoming product launches from big vendors who consistently do high-profile launches that get a lot of attention. We want to look for a product that meets this criteria. Number 1, the launch is at least 7 to 14 days out. Number 2, the product pays at least 40% commissions. Number 3, it has a JV page. Number 4, it has a contact email for affiliates or the ability to demo that product. And number 5, it has a robust value ladder so that you're able to make as much money as possible for each customer that you refer. We're going to look at Spin Rewriter for this example. This vendor is not only giving out 50% commissions for this product, but is also giving out cash and other prizes for affiliates who sell the most during the launch. Spin Rewriter offers a free 5-day demo, so we're going to set that up so that we can thoroughly test the product. This will allow you to make a more thorough recommendation to potential customers. If the demo version of the product is unavailable, email the affiliate support email address and let them know that you're looking for a demo version because you're going to be promoting the product. Before we move on to the next step, we're also going to grab our affiliate link and download the email swipes provided by the vendor. Remember, our affiliate link is the vendor's way of tracking which customers buy through us, so that way they can pay us the correct commissions. And email swipes are pre-written emails provided by the vendor that you as the affiliate can use in email marketing to promote the product. We'll talk more about that in a moment. And if you like what you see so far, hit that like button to let me know. Next, we're going to head over to Aweber and create a landing page. And if you don't already have an Aweber account, there's a link down in the description so that you can sign up for a free account. So once you have your free Aweber account, click the link in the description called Free Aweber Landing Page to import my pre-made page into your account. Most customers don't make a purchase the first time that they're introduced to a product. So we're going to capture their email addresses with our landing page so that we can follow up with them with an automated email sequence. You'll need to customize your landing page for the product that you're promoting. This means that you'll have to change the headline and the image to match the product page. You'll also need to replace my information that's in the footer with your own information. I downloaded a free product from the vendor to entice customers to buy through you, and I'm including a link for that down in the description as well. The last step with our landing page is to add our affiliate link. So click on the email box and then click on submission on the right-hand side. Now we're going to use short.io to shorten our affiliate link. And then we'll need to paste that shortened link into the custom URL boxes for both the thank you page and the already subscribed page. This means that after potential customers submit their email address, they will go to the product page, and any purchases that they make, you'll earn the commission. You'll need to create an automated email campaign using the swipes provided by the vendor. To import the campaign that I created, just click the link down in the description. Just be sure to change the names and the affiliate links in the body of the emails so that you make sure you get credit for all of those sales. You can also check out the link in the description for how to set up an automated email campaign in Aweber. So go ahead and hit that like button if you're ready to move on to the final step. We're now headed over to YouTube. If you don't already have a YouTube channel, you're going to need to take about 30 minutes and set one up. And I'm including a link down in the description to my full tutorial for how to set up a YouTube channel of your own that's able to be monetized. Now you're going to record a review video for the affiliate product, in this case, Spin Rewriter. Make your title the name of the product that you're reviewing, plus the word review, and also mention if you're including any bonuses. For example, Spin Rewriter, honest review plus bonuses, do not buy until you watch this. In the video description, use the first line to reiterate your title, and then shorten the link for your Aweber landing page and add it as the second link in your description. You can search for past Muncheye.com product review videos to get a sense of what type of information is helpful to include in your videos. Remember, since these are big product launches, people will naturally come to YouTube in search of product reviews once the product has been launched. And if your review is helpful and thorough, there's a high chance that people will buy through you. And not only that, but by creating videos consistently over time, you can eventually have your YouTube channel monetized with ads. Then you'll be making real passive income from all the videos on your channel. This is the easiest way to earn your first $1,000 online, and it costs no money. But it may take you a little bit of time because it's completely free. If you want to learn how to make money fast with affiliate marketing, click the first link down in the description for the same training that I did that allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 within 6 months. Be sure to subscribe if you want to quit the 9-to-5 grind with affiliate marketing, and don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful. Check out my next video to learn how to use Pinterest to make money with affiliate marketing. I'm Barb McGowan, and I'll see you on the next video.